In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to accept online payments. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can enable PayPal quickly and confidently. Start by opening your dashboard and looking to the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu. This is your main navigation. Find the option labeled Payments and click it. This takes you to the area where all your payment settings live, so anything related to how you get paid will be here. Once you're on the payments page, look for a button or menu labeled More Actions. It's usually near the top right or upper area of the page. Click on More Actions, and from the list that appears, choose Accept Online Payments. This option brings you to a section where you can enable different online payment providers, making it easy for your customers to pay you. On this screen, scroll or scan for PayPal. It may appear alongside other payment methods, but you're looking specifically for PayPal as the provider. When you find it, click on Connect with PayPal. This is the official connection flow, so you're starting the process the right way. After clicking Connect with PayPal, you'll be prompted to type your email. Enter the email address that is associated with your PayPal account. This is important because the payments you receive will route to the PayPal account linked to the email you provide. Take a moment to double check for typos and make sure you're using the correct address. If you have multiple PayPal emails, choose the one you actively use for business transactions to keep everything consistent and easy to track. If the page provides a confirmation message or highlights any requirements, read them carefully. The goal here is simply to connect, so you don't need to enter any sensitive information beyond your email. There's no need to share passwords or any private credentials in this step. If your screen includes a field labeled email, fill it in accurately and proceed as indicated. That's the entire connection flow at this stage. Go to Payments on the left, open More Actions, choose Accept Online Payments, find PayPal, click Connect with PayPal, and type your email. Keeping your information accurate ensures your customers can pay you without interruption and that funds get routed to the right place. If anything looks different in your interface, use the same logic. Locate Payments, open the Actions menu, select the option to accept online payments, find PayPal, connect, and provide your PayPal email. With that, you're set to accept